Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Vlogs with Ada here. Welcome to my channel. I am going to be showing you all how I made this yummy salad, so just keep watching and stay tuned. So welcome to my channel guys. You guys are really welcome. Today we are in my kitchen. I am going to be making this avocado shrimp salad. So all you will be needing is your mayo, that is optional. You need your avocado, obviously. You need your salad. You need, like the coleslaw. You need your shrimp. And then you need eggs. So I went ahead to pour my coleslaw in a sieve. So I'm going to be washing that, and then after washing it, you leave it to dry out, for the water to drain out. And after that, I go ahead and open up my avocado. I cut up my avocado, pour it in my plate so it gets ready for me to mash them up. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you do not miss any upload. I'm going to be doing everything: vlogging, family, mom life, cooking, mostly cooking. I know you don't want to miss that, so please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell. So I'm getting my shrimp ready so I can fry them, and my egg is right here boiling. So I have my egg boiling, and then I'm going to be cooking the shrimp. I have my avocado oil, I have my pepper, I have my Maggi, and I have my turmeric, of course. So I spray that oil. It's very healthy, and I put in my shrimp, and I'm adding up. You need to add up all your sauce, everything you're using to sauce your shrimp. My pepper, I really love the pepper so much in it. So the pepper, everything, and you let it cook. So this is how it looks after when it's done. After that, you then go ahead to mix your salad in your avocado. This is very healthy. Like, this is a very healthy salad. It's so filling. You need to taste this. Like, it's so filling. You will really enjoy it. Just try it out and tell me leave a comment in the comment section, and also try it out and make sure you tag me on Instagram at Vlogs with Ada. So after mixing this up, now it's time to dish this yummy goodness out. So it just depends on the quantity that you want to eat. As I dish this out, this is the quantity that I can finish. You put your eggs, and then you add up your shrimp, and that is it for you guys. This is it. Like, this is one healthy meal. Like, this is so delicious. You needed to see how I finished my whole food. So I just hope you guys like this video and enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends and family. I will definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Give me in the comment section any other video ideas you guys want to see. I'll see you guys in my next video.